How to recover permanently deleted Instagram account after 30 days. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is Rose and I'll guide you to recover permanently deleted Instagram account after 30 days. Without further ado, let's get started. So if you have deleted your Instagram account in 30 days have passed, your account is now permanently removed. To initiate the recovery process, open any web browser on your device, suppose Google Chrome. Now tap the search bar at top of your screen and type in instagram.com/support and search for this particular website. Now tap on three-line icon at top right corner of the screen and then select manage your account. Then select the first option of signing up and getting started. Now scroll down to the helpful tab and select no option. And here you need to choose other and on the tell us more or the description box, you simply need to enter or describe your issue. Use the template in the video descriptions, or you can even leave as it is. Include your Instagram username and email address linked to the deleted account. Then click submit and wait. Instagram usually responds within 24 hours. So with that, you will successfully recover Instagram account soon. I hope this guide worked, and if you are new to our channel, hit the like button and subscribe. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.